How to use CAR, CDR, CADR, and CADDR functions in AutoCAD. Solution. CAR function gives you the first element of a list, the x-coordinate value. CDR function gives you the second and remaining elements of the list, in other words everything after the first element. CADR gives the second element of a list, the y-coordinate value. CADDR gives the third element of a list, the z-coordinate value. See how it works. First we see the CAR function example. Here you can see that we have added the numbers from 1 to 10 in a list. And the value will be stored in ABC variable. Now run the CAR function to get the first element of a list. Here you can see that the CAR function gives you the first element or x-coordinate value from the list. Now we see the CDR function example. Same example we are using. Now run the CDR function to get the second and remaining elements of the list. Here you can see that the CDR function gives you the second and remaining elements or y and z coordinate values from the list. Now we see the CADR function example. Same list example we are using. Now run the CADR function to get second element of a list or y coordinate value. Here you can see that the CADR function gives you the second element or y coordinate value from the list. Now we see the CADDR function example. Same list example we are using. Now run the CADDR function to get third element of a list or z coordinate value from the list. Here you can see that the CADDR function gives you the third element or z coordinate value from the list. So by the help of these functions you can get any element value from the list. Thanks for watching.